Hey guys, it's me Metab and welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to create in this type of effect. I don't know what you can call him, but I just want to call a cartoon shadow effects in a Lightroom application and PicsArt as always. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the editing. For creating a cartoon shadow effects in the PicsArt application, first of all you import your photos and crop it. If you want to crop like me, you can crop it. If you don't want to crop like me, you can crop in your way, it will be okay. So after cropping your image, just click on done and go to the effects and click the HDR effects. After clicking the HDR effect, you just have to adjust like this, or you can adjust according to your photos. So after the HDR effects, just click on the next effects and go to the magic and click the third option, that is undead. After clicking the undead effects, there will be a click on that first of all, and there will be a 3 circle, and click on the 3 circle for getting a colorful, and just adjust the effects. So after the adjustment of undead effect, just click on the next effect and go to the badlands effects, and after that click on it and click on the 3 circle and adjust according to your photos. So after this effect, just click on the next effects and go to the color bright effects. As always, click on the third circle and get the natural color on it and just adjust according to your photos. After the adjustment of color bright effect, just click on the next effects and scroll a bit. There will be effects called geode, and click on it and just adjust according to your photos. So before adjusting, you do not forget to click on the 3 circle to get a natural color on it and just adjust according to your photos. So after putting all the effects in our photo, we just have to go in the marks option and click on the shadows and use the first one. In my case, I've already used that, that's why it's showing in my recent option. Just have to click on it and adjust the hue and the capacity according to your photos. Now it's time to give your photo a perfect color correction. To give a perfect correction, go on tool, select adjust and adjust all the brightness, contrast, clarity, saturation, hue, highlights, etc. to your photos. You can keep adjustment according to my photos or according to your photos. It could be fine. So after the color correction of your photo, you just have to go in the tools and click the tilt shift option to give a blur to the background of the image. This one is optional, you can do it according to your photo or you cannot, it's fine. After all this long process of creating cartoon shadow effects in the PicsArt application, here is the final output. I hope you like the final output of this video, and you make sure hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the notification of my video and give a thumbs up. And finally, comment down your favorite topic to be created in the next video. Till then, peace out.